My dear friends, welcome back to the channel of Outshine with Positivity. Hope that you are all doing very well. Apparently, I'm having a good time and enjoying my life. Today, I'm going to talk about Yves Saint Laurent's eyeliner. I'll begin without any eyeliner on my eyes. Let's unbox now. The full name of this eyeliner is Crushliner Stylo Eyeliner Waterproof in number 2, Laurent Universal, and in English is Brown Universal. Regarding its price, it's $29 in USD, $39 in Canadian dollar, and 3,740 in yen. I did not convert the rate of currency myself. I diligently confirmed these prices on the official websites. I'm trying it on my arm. What do you think? Again, this is me without any eyeliner on my eyes. I think we should start at the very edge of my eyes. Let's just start from right here, this particular corner. This is the result. What do you guys think? I like it very, very much. Let's look at it from different angles. And I have more photos for you guys as references. Now let's go for breakfast. Please come along with me. Do you guys like dim sum? We are heading out for dim sum right now. Because I'm a vegetarian, I'm having this rice roll without any meat in it, and these are for my family member. After breakfast, my eyeliner still looks very good. There aren't any smudges at all. I'm very happy with it. That's about it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Take good care and see you all next time.